bus is crazy on a Sunday morning. Oh, that's somebody's head right there. She needs to get out. She's getting all that smoke. She got her head out the window. Oh, they got somebody. They got 2 ladders going. They got kids coming out. They saving all these people coming out the house. Off the ladder, out the other window.
Like, this is the fault of landlords cutting corners. They should have sprinklers in the building. No fire escape or nothing. So how people gonna survive?
Oh, man. Please, man. Stop breathing.
They must gotta leave if they stop like that.
Oh, my God.
Is that a walking heart for a moment?
Keep walking with